This one's for you and me, living out our dreams. We're all right where we should be. With my arms out wide, I open my eyes, and now all I wanna see is a sky full of lighters, a sky full of lighters.
By the time you hear this, I will have already spiraled up. I would never do nothing to let you cowards f my world up. If I was you, I would duck or get struck like lightning fighters. Keep fighting, put your lighters up, point them skyward. Had a dream, I was king. I woke up, still king. This rap game's nibble is mine for the milking. Till nobody else even feels me, till it kills me. I swear to God, I'll be the illest in this music there is or there ever will be. Disagree, feel free, but from now on I'm refusing to ever give up. Only thing I ever gave up's using. No more excuses. Excuse me if my head is too big for this building, and pardon me if I'm a cocky, but you are slick popping on how you flipped your life around. Rockers, who you trying to kid? Flip, you did opposite, you stayed the same. Back with the still, you. I love it when I tell him shove it, cause it wasn't that long ago when Marshall sat flustered, lackluster, cause he couldn't cut mustard, muster up, nothing brain fuzzy, cause he's buzzing. Woke up from that buzzing, now you wonder why he does it, how he does it. Wasn't cause he had buzzards circling around his head, waiting for him to drop dead, was it? Or was it cause them bitches wrote him off, little hussy ass cousins? I guess it doesn't matter now, does it? What difference it make? What's it take to get it through your thick skulls that this ain't? Some bullshit people don't usually come back this way, from a place that was dark as I was in just to get to this place. Now let these words be like a switchblade to a hater's ribcage, and let it be known that from this day forward I wanna just say thanks, cause your hate is what gave me the strength to let them pics raise. Cause I came at 5'9", but I feel like I'm 6'8".
This one's for you and me,